Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be jumping back with our calendar series. And I'll have to look, but this may be the last one. But alright, today we're going to be looking at the weekday function. So let's just go ahead and bring this into memory. Calendar. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one video upon another, and we build upon it. Alright, weekday. So alright, what does this do? What does this mean? Weekday, year, month, day, then returns the weekday. And we already know these. Starts with Monday, goes through Sunday, and it takes in integers. So let's just go ahead and look at it. So calendar dot weekday. So basically, what day of the week did that date happen? And here we go. So let's do 2000 and then 1/1. What day of the week was that? It was the 5th. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. No, excuse me, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it was Friday. So that is how simple, clean, and clear it goes back. But like I said, we're just wrapping up and being thorough like we always are around here. Been having some really great questions, so I want to tell you guys thank you for that and a lot of awesome support. We're going to be rolling something out next video, something new, something interesting. Didn't know if I would feel comfortable doing it, so that's a little bit of foreshadowing. So that's why it's important to make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're not missing any of these videos. We're always experimenting, always trying something new, venturing out. I might start doing more on different platforms to just see if there's any more interest. But you guys are awesome. I can't say thank you enough. Again, please drop any comments or questions. If you have that question, somebody else has that question, okay? So we're going to start looking at this as a full-fledged community because we're basically there anyway. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.